Miranda Lambert confirms she's writing new music. The 31-year-old country star is channeling her broken heart into new tunes, confirming the good news in this mouth-watering Instagram pic she shared late Tuesday night. She captioned it, "Food for thought, late night writing session was a success. Love y'all. #new songs. #music is medicine." Judging by all those yummy snacks and that hilarious sign, we're not surprised the jam sesh went well. Meanwhile, Blake Shelton has been busy penning new songs too. Just last week, he tweeted, "Wrote a song so important to me, I can't believe it. Thank you, John Randall and Jesse Alexander." Mutual pal Chris Young told ET earlier this month, both Miranda and Blake are doing just fine post-split.
They're both good, since every time I've heard from them, as good as you can be.